Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm telling you the story of a girl who stepped through a mysterious gate and surveyed her surroundings. Towering trees twisted into spirals, their bark shimmering with eerie. She tried to recall how she'd arrived, but the memory of falling through the portal was already fading, like a dream. Legends whisper of the dragons that once soared across the sky. Many believe their time has passed, that their fiery breath and thunderous wings are memories. The discovery, an object nestled among tangled roots and moss-covered shadowy caves, and the soaring peaks where dragons once ruled. Along the way, dangers lurk, greedy treasure hunters, mischievous forest spirits, and the haunting presence of those who would see magic extinguished forever.
So those were the 2 demo videos I created just to show you what's possible. With the right AI tools, you can make a full fantasy video in just 5 minutes. Seriously, just a few clicks and you're done. It's fast, it's easy, and honestly, kind of fun. And the best part? I've got a 30% discount code just for you, as a thank you for supporting my channel. So make sure to stick around until the end of the video. Let's say you want to create a fantasy-style video. All you need to do is go to ChatGPT and ask, "Please give me 10 titles for making fantasy animation videos to upload to YouTube to earn money." Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you 10 creative and eye-catching titles. All right, now go ahead and click the link in the video description. It'll take you to VideoGen, create videos in seconds with AI, trusted by over 3 million professionals, creators, marketers, and businesses. First, click sign up in the top right corner of the screen. I recommend just using your Google account super quick. Now you're on the homepage. Click Upgrade Plan to unlock the Pro version. Yes, it's a paid tool, but honestly, it's 100% worth it. You can either choose the monthly plan at $24 a month or go with the yearly plan. It gives you up to 50% off, so you'll save a lot in the long run. Once you've decided, click Upgrade to Pro, fill in your payment info, and you're good to go. Now go back to the homepage and click New Video. Next, choose the Generative Images option. It's the middle template. I recommend avoiding the standard stock one, since the visuals there might be reused by other users. You don't want the same footage as 100 other channels, right? Then pick Landscape Format. That's your standard 16:9 size for long-form YouTube videos. Click Continue. Under What is your video about? I took the title, The Last Dragon Egg, a fantasy short film from ChatGPT, and pasted it in. Then I selected a length of 300 words, or you can choose a shorter or longer script if you prefer. After that, I clicked the red arrow and waited about 5 seconds. And just like that, the full script appeared on screen, around 300 words, neatly broken into separate sections. You can review the script and make any edits you like. In this case, the script didn't include an intro, so I clicked the 3 dots, selected Insert section above, and added a quick greeting to my audience. One important thing to remember, for each section, make sure to add a pause. It's set to 1 second by default, or you can increase it. If you skip this step, the voice will read everything continuously without breaks, which makes the video feel rushed and unnatural. Once the script is ready, I added an outro to thank the viewers for watching. Now it's time to choose the voice. On the left side of the screen, you can preview different voices.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
Welcome to the future of video. VideoGen makes it easy for anyone to start creating.
After picking the one you like, make sure to apply it to every section. And that's it. Now just click Generate Video, and your fantasy short is ready to go.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you a fantasy story about the last dragon egg.
VideoGen AI automatically generated beautiful visuals that perfectly match the story, all in a fantasy style. If you want to change any image, for example, the intro scene, click Replace, type in the keywords you want, and pick the image that fits your style. On the left side, you'll see the Theme tab. Click on it to choose the caption style you like. There are a bunch of presets to match your vibe.
Across the sky. Many believe their time has passed, that their fiery breath and thunderous wings are memory.
Now, if you want to change the background music, just click the music icon in the top left corner and browse through the tracks. You can either choose a track from their library or upload your own. But here's my advice. To avoid copyright issues, use music from the YouTube audio library. It's free and safe for monetization. Once you're happy with everything, do a quick review of the full video. Then hit the share button to finalize it. And make sure to export in 4K quality. That way, your video looks super sharp and professional on YouTube. While waiting for the video to finish rendering, I opened a new VideoGen tab and repeated the whole process with a different script.
Today, I'm telling you the story of a girl who stepped through a mysterious gate. And ended up in a world she never knew existed. One moment, she was walking home beneath a sky painted with the colors of dust.
See? It really just takes a few clicks. And in no time, you've got another beautiful video, fully done and ready to go. That's it. Your full process from script to video, all using AI. Now it's your turn. Start with just one video. You'll be surprised how easy it gets. Remember that 30% discount code I mentioned at the beginning of the video? When you're checking out, just enter the code HERE'S30. It'll help you save a good amount of money. Like this video if it helped. Comment if you want more tools like this.
Don't forget to support Layna AI Studio.